defines energy. And what defines energy? Energy is ability to do work, and part is the resource of our earth. The sun is the source of our earth. And what is energy current? The energy is form of light is form of energy carried by light wires and what the resource of light lighting sun eight fire and stars. Why do people need light? People, humans need light to see, and plants need light to make their own food. Thank you.
Today my topic is about Pakistan ready to take Today my topic is about Pakistan ready to take peace process with India forward PM. It's taken from Dawn newspaper. The Director General Military Operation DGMOS of Pakistani and Indian armies in the Holy Mines contacts and Wednesday had agreed to abide of the 2003 Biltrial's ceasefire arrangement of the LOC. The commander had further decided to address each other's core issues, concerns which have concerted to disrupt peace and lead to violence. According to a rare statements by the issues, the military's joint statement and believed to be a result of special assistant prime minister and had in audio clip described as behind sense efforts. Mr. Khan, who had so far not publicly commented on what DGMOS had decided to morning development, saying I welcome to the restoration of case along the LOC. The ceasefire has taken effect from the longest on February 24 and 25. In accordance with the joint statements of the mentor to intense agents outstanding to issues and countries of towards to tension and normalization. Today my topic is in.
Today my topic is about long march may be needed. It has been taken from the newspaper. The ruling party, a source close to MS Nawaz, said that she was not happy over her party discourse to go for an sports said election in Punjab. MS Nawaz wanted the election in Punjab on March 3 to explore the fresh wins the PTI unopposed election. The opposition had provided relief to Imran Khan. The source said the PTI has elected PMLQ source leader Punjab Assembly Speaker uh, Chaudhry Parvez Elahi with a long concern among the ruling party and the opposition PMLN and PPS to have their source elected as pair their numbers in the Punjab Assembly. There was no ruling on Curry and no breaking the state police policy where had surprisingly in Punjab other surfully uh, engaged of the Pakistan Muslim League for setting angry democracy PMLQ MNA MNA Amos Elahi had tweeted two topics.
Today my topic missing ANP leader founded. Kotia built body of Asad Khan and Mrs. leader of the Awami National Party ANP was recovered from the killing Nosar area of the city on Saturday. Asad Khan had going to missing on September 25, 2020 while coming to Kotia from Chaman to attend a meeting of the ANP Deputy Inspector General of the Kotia Police Azhar Akram said that police had arrested a leaves forest official in the killing case of the Asad Khan. Israr Ahmad was arrested from Zoribar Road area on Saturday. He is behind the killing of Asad Khan as robbery of his car. His disguised car has been recovered from his position, the DIG said at conference.
Today my topic about the chiefs of the called into the West India 22 match of on Friday for the first time in 2 years at the force of 14 years old eyes plays in the World Cup. Later this gives of the one cricket of Super was named in the 14 men squad for the there are games service in the on Wednesday. The chiefs of the held to was November, October and November